today I thought I'll just play with this little larch. But Nate, this one's for you. It's a stick in the pot what you asked for. I'm going to be adding a bit wire onto it. Basic branch placement, just bending them down so they're not getting up in the air, just to get them to set. And repot the tree, and I'll make some soil. I'm going to wire that one with that one. Just go behind that bud. That's a dead stump there, but I've tied the wire onto it just for a little bit of an hanger. There's a stub. Do them do. Fiddly is out. Only wire that to there because I think that's coming off. Deep branching that off with these heat. Here's the white Stairsland.
Thanks.
Oh, what?
Freezing.
Wow. Thought I'd do a big tree.
Massive.
Massive.
Your heat's bigger.
What, your head's bigger?
Yours is.
My head's bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Cheeky bitch.
Thanks.
I'll wire that one with that one. I don't know about that. Might have to cut that right back to start again till these catch up and off with its head. But then again, it's just training, so probably decide later on. Ding. Come back up. Overshot the mark. Well, that's pretty much it for the wire. Didn't take that long. I stopped the torque of the wife a bit. Right. Need to get it out of this crap soil. It's probably been in there about 3 years, maybe 2. I need to start labelling the buggers. But I'll look back on YouTube now to see when it was done. Winner. Chicken dinner. There's a quick spin after wiring. Didn't know what we're gonna do with it, like, but we'll find out once we get it repotted. I've only got one little bag of grit, so guesstimate. About 60% to 40. Brilliant. That'll do me. As long as it doesn't clump in a big ball. Happy days. I want to use this on bits of raw material and that. I don't use it on the good trays. But it's good soil for bringing on. Right. Just been in the shower. Oh dear, I'm getting too old for this shit. Right, let's go it out and have a look. Screaming for one. So let's tease away. See what we got. going round in a circular motion. Shouldn't have no taproot on this, because I usually cut them off before I put them in pots. I get a lot of comments asking why is it too early to repot now. The answer is I've never had no problem, so I would say no, especially on larch, because you buy all the bare rooted stock this time of year on certain deciduous trees like larch, hawthorns. So I've always done it now. I've always collected trees this time of year, as early as the beginning of December. I've repotted larch and I've had no problems. I didn't do Japanese maples and that now. I wait until the buds swell on them. But larch and hawthorns, I'd say yes. Even redwoods, I've done redwoods. Just going to take the long bits off and I want to give them a wash. Then we'll have a look. Apologise for the noise of the fire on the last part of the video before I washed the tray. Forgot to add it on. I'm just going to come in and take anything going straight down off. That's dead. So what's that? Got two out the same spot, so I'm just taking that off. Sorry, camera died there, so I don't know how much you've missed until I put the video together. But I've just pruned the roots. I'm going to cut these long ones off because moved it over slightly. I've chosen the blue pot, a little bit deeper than the last one, because I wanted to put a good bit of growth on. And it's still a young tree, so we can crack the roots in a couple of years again. Let me turn it up. That's quiet. So we're just gonna give it a good old stabbing. Make sure we get it all out. I'm just tamping down with my hand as I'm going. Not compacting it loads, just. Right, so I want to give this a good drink. It's had a good water. It's all our. I just wish I offset it a little bit. So it's not going to look like a proper bonsai when I'm done. I'm just putting the main branches, get a little bit movement into them. I'm not too sure about these two. I'm going to start with this one. Do I leave a gin or not? No. Off with its head. Since we've got that squishy downy, it looks okay. Just need this one to grow. And we can get a back branch in there as well. This is a little bit thin, but I'm just going to leave it. And just let it grow. That can come off there. Dead anyways then. Fill in the apex there, that'll hide that handlebar movement there. We'll let this one grow. We'll let it all grow anyways now. Just a primary little bit shape. That's what I pretty much do when I'm starting out a twig in a pot. Just primary branch placement, let it grow, keep pruning back and tweak it up later on. Told you it wouldn't look like much, but it's the start of something we can build on top of this now. For a nice little tray. I wish I put it over here but like I say, it's only a deeper pot to start getting some growth on. Get out the plastic pot. Right, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. If you haven't, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!